Okay, now we'll study geometric mean. Agate ami arithmetic mean পঢ়া হৈছিলে ধৰা আমি geometric mean is denoted by letter G. Let a and b any two positive numbers be any two positive numbers be any two positive numbers, then geometric mean between a and b is given by root over ab. ठीक है, and it is denoted by capital G. Why? It is AB. Say A, capital G and B are three numbers in GP. ठीक है, say small a, capital G and B are in GP. These three numbers are in GP. Then तुम्हार की होगा second term by first term equal to तुम्हार ratio of second term by first term will be same as the ratio of third by this. Then तुम्हार होगा G square equal to AB, G square equal to AB, G equal to root over AB, G equal to root over AB. So this G is called your geometric mean and is defined by root over AB. Example, say you have done geometric mean of the numbers 2 and 8 is root over 2 into 8 16, which is equal to 4. Clear? The geometric mean is denoted by the letter G and is given by root over AB. We have proved it how? Because A, G and B are in GP, so G by A equal to B by G. Because GP thakle tahator ratio kita ki hobo common hobo. Ita ami generalize kori check koro. Let G1, G2, G3 goes to what? Gn. Be n positive numbers, be n numbers lying between A and B such that B n numbers বুলি কৈছো দেই, terms বুলি কোৱা নাই, be n numbers lying between A and B such that A, G1, G2 goes to what? Gn, B are in GP. So this is in GP. So tomorrow first time yet case small a tomorrow first term or tomorrow yet G1 or Gn. This is in GP. So from G1 to Gn, how many terms we have? N terms. Only from G1 to Gn I'm saying from G1 to Gn to my n terms ase aru tumar A ase aru B. So total terms tumar ase n plus 1 n plus 2 terms, total terms. G1 upar Gn loke tumar n terms aru A aru B ase, so tumar n plus 2 terms. Therefore tumar first term to hobe ki A aru tumar last term L, which is your what? N plus 2 term, n plus 2 term is what? B. Ita tumar common ratio R boli dhori lwa, let R be the common ratio, capital R. Then tumar ki hobo? A R n general term ki asle n term hole tumar A R n minus 1, yet tumar n plus 2 ase, so A into R to the power n plus 2 minus 1 equal to B. ঠিক আছে, A R আমি small r ধৰি লওঁ, small r A R n plus 2 minus 1 n plus 1 equal to B, where common ratio ki pala? Small r. ঠিক আছে কমন ৰেচিঅ' হ'ল তোমাৰ smaller equal to তোমাৰ here our a is known, b is known, only r is unknown, so r to the power n minus 1 b by a r hobo তোমাৰ b by a 1 by n plus 1. So this is the common ratio 1 by n plus 1. This is the common ratio of the GP where G1 to Gn are n numbers inserted so that this whole sequence is our GP. Or to my GP at first term A or common ratio Q r equal to b by a to the power 1 by n plus 1. Common ratio pala. Therefore we can find what the numbers. What are the numbers? G1 is your first number and tomar sequence sabagole GP sequence sabagole G1 is your second term. G1 is your second term and first number which we have inserted. So G1 is your first second term hola tomar GP series or second term tumi keneke likha a r to the power 2 minus 1 second term a2 ami keneke likho GP series or a2 ar 2 minus 1 that means ar. So ar so to have a into r value ami ki palo b by a 1 by n plus 1. Similarly G2 is your third term. So to have a r square a into b by a 2 by n plus 1. My third term G3 tomar fourth term a r tomar fourth term hole 4 minus 1 3 4 minus 1 3 a r to the power 4 minus 1 3 a b by a 3 by n plus 1 goes on to what g to the power gn which is your nth number. This is your nth number hole tomar ki hobo fifth term sorry n plus 1th term isn't n plus 1 term it is tomar first n numbers ঠিক আছে. So it is the first term G1 second term G2 third term G3 fourth term. So tomar gn obviously n plus 1th term hobo. So gn tomar n plus 1th term ar n plus 1 minus 1 n plus 1 minus 1 tomar ar to the power n a b by a n by n plus 1. So these are your n numbers which we have inserted between a and b so that the resulting sequence is our GP. So the GP ami poilo. So we can do now question number 26. Question number 26 we can do. Insert two numbers between 3 and 81 so that the resulting sequence is GP. Insert two numbers between 3 and 81 so that the resulting sequence is GP. Insert two numbers between 3 and 31. Okay, two numbers, let G1 comma G2 be the two numbers inserted between 3 and 31 so that the resulting sequence ki hobo tomar between 3 and 31 tamne tomar 3 comma G1 comma G2 and 31 is a GP. So here first term tomar ki hobo a equal to 3 and tomar last term that means which fourth term 1 2 3 4 fourth term and then last term it is tomar a4 first term second term third term fourth term a4 tomar hobo 31. So तुम्हार A4 टर्म की पला 31. A4 माने हमार क्या इसले AR to the power n minus 1 31 where तुम्हार common ratio is 4 minus 1 directly right. AR cube equal to 31. A हमें किमान पाइसिलो 3. A पाइसिलो 3R cube by 31. or 81, sorry, it is 81. There is a misprinting here. This is your 81, not 31. 81. 81 hobo. So R cube hobo tomar 3 और 81 cancel hobo 27. So 27 can be written as 3 cube. Therefore tomar R cube equal to 3 cube implies R equal to 3. Common ratio 3 pai gala. Therefore common ratio 3 pai gala. So we need to find what? G1 and G2. Therefore G1, which is your G1 is your second term. A is like 3 into 3 9. G2, which is your third term. AR square 3 into 3 square 9 into 3 27. So these are the two numbers. Next to me question number 27. Find the values of n so that the geometric mean between these. Question number 27 question. Find the value of n so that geometric mean show that a to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 whole thing divided by a n plus b n is the geometric mean between a and b. Is the geometric mean between a and b. ठीक है सर. So लिखा given. Okay, we know geometric mean between any two numbers say a and b is what? Root over ab. ठीक है सर. According to the question, geometric mean between a and b तुम्हार की will दिया है this a n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 whole thing divided by a n plus b to the power n equal to root over ab. इतना both sides square कर दिया. both sides square कर दिया तुम्हारा होगा कि a n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 a n plus b to the power n whole thing square ab. So squaring will put the formula a n plus 1 whole square plus 2 into a n plus 1 into b n plus 2 plus b n plus 1 whole square divided by a n plus b n whole square a n square plus 2 into a n into b n plus b n whole square. Right hand side is same. Now what we will do, a 2n plus 2 plus 2 a n plus 1 b n plus 1 plus b 2n plus 2 equal to a b. Cross multiply this, कोइले की होगा तुम्हार a b a 2n plus 2 a n b n plus b 2n. Now what we'll do, we'll keep our left hand side as it is and we'll product this. Yet to my a to the power 1 ase aru yet to my b ase aru yet a to the power 2n. So a1 to the power 1 aru a to the power 2n bases eke ase power plus hobo a to the power 2n plus 1 into b plus 2an plus 1 into bn plus 1 plus b to the power 2n plus 1 into a. So this term will get cancelled, left hand side, right hand side. Next, I mean a to the power 2n plus 1 minus this term we are taking to left hand side minus a to the power 2n plus 1 into b, and this a to the into b to the power 2n plus 1 minus b to the power n plus 2. Now next, I mean a to the power 2n plus 1 common loiso, yet plus 2 ase again a thaki jabo minus b equal to b to the power 2n plus 1 here right hand side common loiso, so a thakibo aru minus tumar yet 2 ase ekane eta b thaki jabo 1 common lolu 2n plus 1 common lolu, so yet 2n plus 2 ase, so 1 b will left. So since a not equal to b, therefore a minus b, take it to your right left hand side, a minus b is not equal to 0, so 0 nohar karone ami cancel koribo parim. Cancel kar pasot tumar holge a to the power 2n plus 1 into 1 a to the power b to the power 2n plus 1. So we are taking this to divide kori disu ami both side, a to the a by b 2n plus 1 equal to 1. Divide korile tumar right hand side ek 1 thakibo, 1 we can write a to the a by b to the power 0, so yet 0 ase aru tumar bases ek ase 2n plus 1 equal to 0, so 2n equal to minus 1, n equal to minus 2. So amak value of n find out koribo koise, and we have got minus 1 by 2. Clear?